This is basically a quick 2-minute edit or so. I make a few mistakes in here, but the first thing I do is select the sky. I'm going to adjust the sky strictly because it was washed out. I'm going to process the rest of the image separately in Photoshop. To bring it back, I also added a little dehaze that I don't normally do. I'm not paying a whole bunch of attention to how it matches the rest of the image because that's going to get matched later on. Now the sky's nice. I'm going to open the image. When I open the image, I'm going to add a contrast layer. The contrast layer, I don't know why I'm moving the cursor around there. The contrast layer is going to be a hard mix layer at 18%. In order to get the neutral gray, I put in the 50% gray. I put it in soft light, then move it down to hard mix. Set it for 18%. 18, not 15. As you'll see, some of the darks are too dark, and so then I mask out the sky because it ruined the sky, washed out the whites. I could go over to select layers and mask. I just like this TK panel. It was like $22 and it makes it a lot quicker to use. Fumbling around a little bit here. There you can see how it's too dark in the lower right and in the shadows of the trees, so I fix that with a blend if. I hit an alternate and drag out the one arrow to smooth the blend if. The highlights aren't too bad, but I normally fix them anyway. That would have been if I'd lived on the sky and done it in one photo. This is out of Rob's TG5, and this is what I call a straight out of camera JPEG. I haven't done any sliders, haven't done any adjustments or lighting. This is just a basic quick edit.